guys, it's 6 a.m. now and let's go for a walk. Hey folks, here Shifa is getting ready for her first morning walk in Jamia. Getting ready means setting up her favorite recent hairstyle. Don't be curious why I am making so fuss about a morning walk. Yeah, I just realized that I am doing this first time after coming to Jamia. I felt that I could not do so many things and I missed just doing so many fun after coming here for several reasons. Yeah, let's do it anyway. I hope you will be with Shiv's vlog till end. Hi guys, Shifa here. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am just outside of my hostel and it's 6 a.m. now. So today I thought to take a morning walk. Yeah. This is maybe first time I am taking this walk after coming to Jamia maybe. So I have been thinking this for a long time. I thought about doing solo walk, but the thing is I asked Rinshiba also, she's also coming. So the thing is we are doing it in campus only. Campus is home to our hostelers. So what we're gonna do is we are planning to pluck some mango. There is some mango trees in campus, so I have seen students plucking the mangoes from that tree. So I also wondered. So yeah, let's go and try. And I don't know if it will work out or not, but let's go. And it's so nice. I should have taken it before. See? Our hostel and the sky combination looks so good. Yeah, I loved it. Actually, this is a privilege we get for us hostelers because we can utilize our campus however we want, like our home, because our hostel located inside the campus. So campus is our home, of course. So our walking spot or everything is the campus. So the thing is, my department, I told you, also 100 meters away. I always show my department or tell about my department every time in my blog, I think. So the thing is, our walking spot also our campus. So it's so peaceful because in Jamia, we are staying in Jamia area. So in Jamia area, most of the areas are like congested and not like sound pollution and all. It's too dirty also sometimes. So when we look at that, campus is so good for us. So it's so peaceful. Yeah. So we have to utilize that. I had to utilize that long before, but I didn't do that. But I will do now because I'm not sure will I shift from hostel this time to flat. I am planning. So if it's work out, of course I'm gonna shift. So I have to utilize this now, and this is so good, guys. This is morning walk. This is not started yet. I'm waiting still for Rinshiba, but yeah, it's so nice. Hi guys, so here we are starting. Rinshiba is here, guys. Guys, we are not sure whether there is mango or not in the tree because I know some students who did this. So it was like one week before. So we have to check. Yeah. Otherwise, even if there is no mango, it's very nice. And Rinshiba, morning walk.
Yes.
Actually, I'm first time trying after coming Jamia, I always walk in morning like this whenever I take leave from hostel when we coming back from our friends. Our friends' flats. But I think Rinshiba has gone before also.
Yeah, I was
like
a good child before and I went for walk.
Where did you go? That Okhla side, na?
No, I just walked through this.
Campus only? Yeah, nice. So let's see. Guys, I don't know what this tree called in English or Hindi. We say Kanikonna. Guys, here is my department, my showing again. Actually, I show my department whenever I see in my blog. That's become a habit because it's just, my hostel is there and my department is here. Yeah, this is my home. And here is also one of my home. Hi guys, so now we are going to this engineer department. Engineer department side. So here is one, and there is engineering department and architecture, all that. There is this mango tree. Actually, I'm revealing this to everyone I know, but I'm helping people. But people already know, but still, if there is someone who nearby Jamia who don't know about this mango tree, well, I am helping them just have some mangoes. But we are not sure we will get it or not. Then I am blabbering about this a lot. Yeah, let's see. Guys, whoever get this privilege to walk through this beautiful campus, that also in morning, only hostelers get, yeah, na, Rinchiba? Hostelers kije. Yeah, hostelers are.
Do, bro.
No, but still, according to the security's behavior now, I don't think they will allow this time. This Kanikonna is looking out beautiful. I don't know what's in English name Kanikonna. I will search, guys. Guys, Kanikonna's English name is Golden Shower. Oh, that's a unique name. Why is that? Guys, there is no mango. There is mango, but only some mango, few mangoes here. And I will show you. Guys, can you see? Where is the mango? Guys, I'm first time seeing this area. Oh, so aesthetic, so nice. Wow. We have to take toti from here. I don't know toti ka English. Toti is the thing that helps us to pluck mangoes. Yeah, toti. There is one mango. Yeah. Keychain. Theory എനിക്ക് വശമില്ല guys.
ഇതെന്താണ് അങ്ങോട്ടൊക്കെ നല്ലടാ. Shifa is trying hardly, but
Come on. Guys, we worked hard for a long time, and we worked hard for one mango. It was not coming actually, but what we got, I will show you. 1 2 3 4. Where is our 5? 5, guys. And our hard work got success. Guys, finally we earned all these. Guys, so we hide our mangoes on some place. Now we are going to have a chai in Okhla head, so we have to walk like almost 1 kilometer near, so that's why we hide it there. Yeah, we can take it when we came back. So let's go. Guys, the thing is that we don't have our ID card, so if we go out of the gate without ID card, they will not enter us. They will make that a problem. So that's why we are asking to securities to remember our face. Please, can you do that? Let's try. Otherwise, this will be a flop, guys, because they are so rigid about the rules now. Guys, plan got success. So they even wrote our names there. So in somewhat, if we came back, they have to remember us. Because when it's morning now, 2 students tried to enter to like here in the campus for a walk, but they denied, telling that today is leave, so they can't enter and it's morning and everything. That's why only the hostelers have this privilege to walk on the campus when it's the morning time. So they are so strict about the rules. Administration, what to do. Guys, so we are here in Okhla. This is a chai spot and we ordered chicken aloo paratha. I am having chicken aloo paratha after 2 or 3 years, I think. So this is my first shop. Yours also, na?
No.
No. I mean, Delhi lo vannitte.
No.
So this is my first shop that I had anything like from Delhi. Like even aloo paratha I tried from here first time. So it was so good at that time. Like, so this shop has a lot of, you know, memories kind of things. I'm eating and it's so tasty. I was someone who didn't have chai in Kerala. Like I don't like chai actually, but I like Delhi chai. Guys, here is a chicken aloo paratha and the best thing is they will give butter. Oh my god, butter and aloo paratha is the best combination. You know, once I tried butter with our hostel aloo paratha, oh my god, it was so bad. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Easy bus, guys, my heart is beating so fast. Like I'm scared that what if the mango, like what if someone had taken our mango, then this day will be done, guys, for me. I hope it's there only. Let's see. It's here, guys. Yeah, guys. Finally, our morning is done, guys. Now let's see after vlogs. I have to study and all. Day after tomorrow is my exam. So let's see. Yeah. So bye.